To fix your Speed Queen washer that keeps beeping, start by understanding the possible causes of the issue. The beeping sound usually indicates a problem with the washer's operation. Begin by checking the user manual to see if it provides any information about the beeping sound and its possible causes. First, ensure the washer is properly installed and leveled. An uneven surface can cause the washer to malfunction and beep. Check the washer's feet and adjust them if necessary to ensure the appliance is level. Next, check the detergent dispenser and make sure it is not clogged. A clogged dispenser can cause the washer to beep. Remove any blockages and ensure the dispenser is clean. Then, check the washer's drain pump filter for any blockages. A clogged filter can cause the washer to beep. Remove any debris and ensure the filter is clean. If the beeping persists, check the washer's electrical connections and ensure they are secure. A loose connection can cause the washer to malfunction and beep. Additionally, ensure the washer's lid is properly closed and aligned. A misaligned lid can cause the washer to beep. Check the lid switch and ensure it is functioning correctly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the washer. Unplug the washer from the power outlet and wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in. This can sometimes resolve the issue. Finally, if the beeping persists after trying all these steps, it may be necessary to contact a professional repair technician. They can diagnose and fix any underlying issues with the washer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Speed Queen washer that keeps beeping. Remember to always refer to the user manual and follow safety guidelines when working with electrical appliances. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help prevent issues and ensure your washer operates efficiently.